Okay, this is George from Handyman Hints, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil change light. It has a device in this vehicle. Camaros from 1997 to 2002 had this feature. Camaro Z28 Camaro SS. This happens to be a Camaro SS. It should be the same on all of them, if it comes equipped with it, which I believe they do. So, we're gonna start out with turning the key on the on position. So when all the lights come on, you're gonna do it like this. Okay, let this thing settle out. Okay, and then what we're gonna do, I'm gonna come in a little closer. And right over here, where my finger is, let's see if you can see it. Yeah, see this? This is the trip reset, okay? So what you're gonna do is you push and hold this, okay, for 12 seconds. Now I'm gonna back it up because the oil light should start flashing when you do that, but I'm gonna do it now. We'll see what happens. There she goes. That's it. Okay, so now what you got is the oil change light has been reset. See if I can do it again. Hopefully it doesn't mess it up. We'll try it. 2, 3. You'll see this light come on. There she goes. See it? Oil change. That's it. So now she's been reset, and that's it. We're good. Automatic. It'll tell you anywhere from 3 to 7,500 miles when to change the oil. On dusty conditions, definitely change your oil every 3,000. I use synthetic. It's good for 10,000. I change it every 5. That's just me. You guys do what you want to do, but that's how you set an oil reset. And when that light comes on, definitely change it, but I wouldn't wait that long. Okay? All right, guys. George from Handyman Hints. Thanks for coming back.